Hey everybody, it's Long 13 here. I'm doing a quick video to show the progression of our snowfall today. We're supposed to get between 6 and 10 inches. It is 7:15 in the morning and the snow has just started. So I will show you later.
It's time to play the game. Time to play the game!
Hey everybody, I just got home from work. It's a little after 10. This is how much snow we've gotten in 2.5 hours or so. I'll show you more later. Out. Hey everybody, here's an update. It's 10:56. Here is the progression of the snowstorm that I'm dealing with today. Just wanted to let everybody see we've got a lot of snow today. It's around 8 or 9 inches so far. I'll keep you posted. Signing out. Hey everybody, this is an update on the snowstorm in Kansas. It's 12:25. This is what we got right now. I will update you later. Later. Hey everybody, there you go. There's my ruler in the snow. 9 inches as of 12:30. We'll update later. Hey everybody, snow update. Got the vehicles clean, got a path to walk. Porch is cleaned off, path in front of the garage, got a path around the side of the house and a path all the way to the woodshed so I can get me some wood. And then I noticed the roof. Check out the roof. It's all wavy and stuff. It's like a big different snowdrift. Okay, that's it. Show you more later. Long 13 here. Signing out for now.